Trying out some snake wine for the first time.
Yeah, bottoms up.
The whole thing.
You can do it. You can do it. We believe in you.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, real.
Yes! That was most of it. One more.
It's good. It's good.
It's lovely.
Oh my god. I can still feel it in my stomach.
Wow.
It's still strong in my stomach. Now we are on our way to do our Mekong Delta tour. Super exciting! Haha, it's a video!
This is our tour group. We all signed up for a 15-day tour from the south all the way up to the north of Vietnam.
It's a video.
Where are we going? This cool dude right here is Tuan. He guided us for the entire Vietnam trip under the international tour company called Intrepid. I haven't heard of that word before, but fun fact, Intrepid means adventurous or fearless. That was exactly how this whole Vietnam trip was. We checked out Saigon in our first video. Feel free to watch if you haven't seen that yet. And now we get to explore the famous Mekong Delta.
Say hi!
But first, just a quick stopover for refreshments and of course touristy photos. Lol. Our awesome tour guide Tuan is actually a local of Mekong Delta. He spoke passionately about life there and told us about how simple and contented people were. Nature provided for them and the community was close-knit and supportive. Let's explore and learn about life in the Mekong Delta.
A few moments later.
So now we are going to explore the Mekong Delta. Our first stop is Unicorn Island. Can you tell us a little bit about Unicorn Island?
Unicorn Island is the biggest island of all. We have unicorn, phoenix, dragon, turtle, and almost 4 islands here. We have so many the garden, they grow tropical plantation, such as coconut palm tree, longan tropical fruit, rambutan, jackfruit, banana, mangosteen as well, and even with jackfruit tree.
That's
also
awesome,
many
and we're gonna
flavors.
try all of them.
We're
Super
gonna try
excited.
all of them, and the bee farm with the honey tea.
We're at the boat pier. We have a local tour guide who specializes in the places we're visiting and experiencing in the Mekong Delta. As soon as we step foot on the island, I immediately notice a lot of greenery. But not just any greenery, a lot of the plants are actually fruit-bearing trees. The Mekong Delta is one of the world's greatest waterways. The river is so long, it actually flows through 6 different countries in total. The Mekong Delta has a wide variety of wildlife, landscapes, and culture. Keep watching and witness how fascinating this place is.
Chili salt.
Chili salt. Yeah, I told you. It's normal to eat pineapple with salt. Is that shocking? That actually works. Quite a kick.
Being of Asian heritage, locals always do a double take on whether I'm actually a tourist or not, especially when I pose for photos like this. I had to learn how to say Tôi Kung Noi Tiếng Việt. I'm probably not saying it properly, but it roughly means I don't speak Vietnamese. Usually it confuses people even more. One of our stops was this super cool bee farm. Check out how radically chill these bees are. We got to enjoy a complimentary bee pollen tea, which was delicious and packed with benefits. Did you know that in order for a bee colony to make a new queen bee, she is only fed royal jelly? That develops her queen features and extends her lifespan much longer than a regular bee. Regular honeybees live for about 6 weeks on average, but a queen bee reigns for 2 to 3 years. No wonder there's such a hype on royal jelly as a beauty product.
Just leaving the bee farm, that was quite an experience. And we're heading on to our next bit.
We also got to learn about their chocolate farm or factory, which was near the bees. Local cacao farmers like to experiment on different chocolate varieties using local ingredients, like chili.
That's got quite a kick in it. My taste buds are confused and hurting. I'm gonna make it up by having 70%. Chili chocolate is very strong in Vietnam.
Now we get to check out more food. There is a huge coconut industry in Vietnam. The Mekong Delta supplies a lot of coconuts to the country and even internationally. Here I learned that there was such a thing as a water coconut. It looks very different, but tastes just as yummy.
Why? Good for men and a medicine one.
It's medicinal.
You want to try?
Woo!
Anyone else?
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
Ooh, it's heavy.
And this is why we have insurance, you guys.
Yes.
That's wrong.
You wanna? Oh, you have sensitive tummy, bro. I don't think.
Try half.
Trying out some snake wine for the first time.
Yeah.
Hello, New York. Here we are in Vietnam.
This is
Not bad. Come on, full
We're not even sure if she's actually 18.
bottoms
the
up.
whole thing.
You can do it. You can do it. We believe in you.
Yeah, temperature is real.
Temperature is real.
Yes! That was most of it. One more.
It was good. It was good.
It's lovely.
Oh my god. I can still feel it in my stomach.
Should post next to the snake.
It's still strong in my stomach. Roll! Go faster! We need to escape! We've just arrived at the restaurant after our boat trip on the Mekong Delta. And it's raining! The best adventures don't guarantee good weather. There, elephant fish. Imagine if it said hello back.
Hello back, you've run away.
Yay, lunch! Just like the Korean food wrapping culture, the Vietnamese are also fond of wrapping their food with either leafy veggies or rice paper rolls. I actually really like this manner of eating meat and other flavorful dishes, as wrapping balances the flavor and makes it taste fresher. I have tasted Vietnamese omelets all over Vietnam, but the way they do it at Mekong Delta is my absolute favorite.
And that tamarind sauce is so nice. It's real sweet.
A few moments later.
And are you ready? You ready? Are you scared? Oh my god, I'm scared for you. I'm on your insurance.
We're now on our way to our humble yet very cozy homestay. There's no air conditioning, but the temperature here is so much cooler and more refreshing than the city. Ho Chi Minh made me sweat so much, but our homestay at Ventre made me feel so relaxed. I had to take a Sore l'amore inspired #ultimate selfie.
Later that night.
Dinner was by the river with our group. Tomorrow is another day and another adventure.
Hey guys, it's Leslie from Let's Get Moving. That's LES Get Moving. Thanks for watching episode 2 of our Real Vietnam series. If you haven't seen episode 1 yet, please feel free to click over here and watch the Saigon/Ho Chi Minh episode. And please, I'm begging you, click subscribe and the notification bell to get the latest view of our adventures. Stay tuned for our Siargao, Philippines trip, which was in collaboration with YouTuber Van Araneta. See you around. Adios. 再见. Paalam.